What's going on, YouTube fam? We got a super quick one for you today. My name is Connor, if you didn't already know. I'm a designer and hand lettering artist based out of Las Vegas, Nevada. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and please leave a like. That would be freaking fantastic. I gotta hop on a flight. We're going to Dallas. We're gonna see some family. It's gonna be fun. I just wanted to walk you through this project that I recently finished. The client is Real Results. They're a gym in downtown Las Vegas. Super badass institution. It'll get you in shape real quick. So the owner is looking to jazz up his spot. He wants some color. He wants some lettering. He wants some contemporary. So naturally, he called me. I've actually done a lot of artwork at Real Results. I know the owner very well. He's an absolute class act. Paul, shout out to you, good sir. Give him a follow. I'm not gonna bore you anymore. We're just gonna vlog this. Let me know in the comments if this is content that you would like to see. So without further ado, let's get into it. Good evening, fam. We at the spot. We're ready to go. We got Miss Lauren Kiley here with us.
Hello.
She's gonna be helping me. This is Real Results. It is the gym that I work out at. We're on Commissioner Street, downtown Las Vegas. And we're gonna be brightening up this wall. We got some good art here already. We gotta feel the power. The owner of this gym has asked that we replace it with his slogan, which is better every day. You know it, Paul. It's also been up here for a good couple of years, so we got some work to do, but we got it. I don't know what to say. First things first, we're here at the wall. We just gotta prep it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the base coat down, big can of base coat. We're gonna project the artwork and tomorrow we'll come back and we'll paint it. No, I wanna do that more concisely. Day one at the wall, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash this up with we're gonna wash this out with the base layer. It's a cream color. We got the paint right here. We got some rollers, we got some tape. Once that's done, we're gonna project the actual design, we're gonna trace it, and then we're gonna come back in the morning and we're gonna start painting. Day number 2, we're out here, we're getting things done. We got our cones up, we got our Lauren Kileys. We're out here starting to paint. I'm gonna take this mask off. Be safe, wear a mask, unless you're a terrible human being. Wall has been painted, it's nice and crispy. Now is the time where we start having some fun. So what we got here, we got some brushes, we got some paint, we got all the things that we need, some water, we got some trash bags, we got some tape, everything you need for a good painting. We're just gonna jump right into it, give you some B-roll, give you some time lapses, and hopefully this guy will be done toot sweet. Whoop, whoop. Here's an update for day 2. It is about, what time is it?
3:37.
It's 3:37. There's a cool breeze. Vegas is finally feeling cold. Once the sun goes down, it's gonna be freezing. We're gonna put some hoodies on, but we've been out here for 3 hours, I'd say. Here we go, getting there. Slow going, slow process, but we in it. You'll see the time lapse. You know what's going down. Good morning, all you lovely people. It is day number 3. It is 7:30. Yes, that's correct. 7:30 in the morning. We got a tight deadline today. We got to finish up. We're just getting ready over here, getting all the materials, restocking all the stuff. We're in my apartment right now. First things first, we're going to head over and get some coffee. There's a coffee place right across the way from the mural that we're painting at. That is amazing. So, give you a quick show on that, and then we'll head back and we'll knock it out. Okay, love you. Bye. Are we doing the same thing? Okay, you go first.
Can I do an iced Aztec?
2 iced Aztecs, please.
Okay. Got your 2 iced Aztec mochas, one with whole milk, one with oat milk, the Italian sandwich, and the Hawaiian Benedict.
Perfect.
And the name for your order?
Connor.
Connor.
You stole it.
You had the quick draw there.
I was ready.
Lauren doesn't want me touching her food. That's fine. I got my own food. We good. All right, guys, so that was a fun project, quick project. We got that done post haste. Nice 2-day paint job. And the night before, just tracing it out and mapping it out all nice and good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what else you'd like to see. It's always really fun for me to show people what Vegas is about. It's a really vibrant city. You just gotta get to know it. I'm not gonna keep you waiting any longer. Let's take a look at that mural one more time.